Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's video we are going to talk about how to embed Facebook group posts into your website using SociableKIT and the website builder WordPress. So without further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. So first thing first, we're going to the official page of SociableKIT. So here it is. And from here, if you haven't created your account yet, just click this sign up button on the top right of your screen. And if you have already created your account, just click this login button. And we are in the widget page. So to go to the creation of widget page, all you have to do is click this create widget button, which is on the top right of your screen, and it will always redirect you to the creation of widget page. So now in here, we're going to select our widget type. So in our case, it's Facebook group post. Here it is. And if you haven't connected your Facebook, there should appear a Facebook connect button right about here. It replaces the Facebook group ID text box. So if you haven't connected your Facebook, just connect it, and if you have already connected it, this should appear. So now it prompts us to it requires us to put our Facebook group ID. So what is our Facebook group ID? So go into our Facebook group. So for example, this is our Facebook test group. So the ID is basically this. So right after the backslash, just copy this, and from here just paste the Facebook group ID here. And from here it says that it is syncing up, so all we have to do is wait. So sometimes it takes an hour or a little more, depends on the data or the content of your page. So right now we're just going to wait, and I'll get back to you guys if it already been synced up. And we are back. So here is the group post. All of the posts that is in here is in this group. So now we are going to the creation, or the customization and moderations page or step. So at that left side of your screen, you can see all these different kinds of tabs that each has its own purpose. So I'm just going to focus on the main tab that is really important. So first, we're going to the themes tab. So in here, there are different kinds of color theme. So if you click one of them, it will display the color theme or the color combination that it will integrate into your feed. So for example, this Masikap theme, as you can see, this is the color and this is the result. So you can choose whatever theme that you like. So for example, if you want maayos, maagap, maganda. So now in my case, I think maaliwalas is the most fitting one, so I'm going to use this one. And now that being done, we're now going to the profile. So you can show and unshow your group picture, Facebook group name, group information, and description. So now in the post tab, you can also change the layout. So for example, I want it to be carousel, I want it to be grid, or I want it to be masonry. So I think I want it to be grid, and the column count, I want it to change into 2. So there should be like 4 pages or posts and 2 columns. So now that being done, you can also change the content padding, the post count. So depending, so we only have 4, so I just put 4, and I'm going to save changes, and let's see if it will apply. And as you can see, it is already in the grid layout, so it is good. Now in the colors tab, if you haven't, or if you didn't find the color theme that you like in here in the colors theme tab, you can always manually change it. So for example, you want to change the background color, you can change the font color, the link color, you can also change the post, like the pop-up of the post, so you can also change the color of that, and so on. So now in the fonts tab, you can always change the font family that you're going to use. So for example, I want it to change into, let's see, in Tabin. So I can also change the font size and the profile and username font size. I think it is good though, so I'm going to save it, and let's see if it changed into cabin font family. So here it is. So from the Century Gothic font family into cabin font family, so everything is good. And now in the buttons tab, you can also change the color of the button just like in the colors tab manually too. So you can also show the load more if you have more posts. And now in the CSS tab, you can also put your custom CSS that you like in here. So with that being done, all we have to do now is to embed it into our website, specifically in WordPress. So we're going to click this embed on website button on the top right of your screen, and from here it requires us to choose our website builder. So the website builder we are currently going to embed it to is WordPress. So click this WordPress, and it will show us the the step-by-step instruction on how to embed this into WordPress. So first, we're going to follow this. We're going to copy the code, and we're going to log into our WordPress site and add a new page. So here is the WordPress, and I already added the new page. So we're going to add a title for the sake of the video. So for example, SociableKIT multilingual page. Here it is. Post. We're going to post, and from here we're going to add a block. So here you can search for custom HTML. So here it is, and from here we're going to paste the code, and that is actually it. All you have to do now is publish it to see the feed itself. So you can also preview it, so you can see if what the feed looks like. And now we can also see it in the page itself. So we're going to view the post after we publish it, and this is our SociableKIT multilingual page post, and these are the posts. Everything that we change is implemented here. So from the masonry layout, we change it to grid and into 2 columns. We can also change the color theme. We also change the font family from Century Gothic to cabin. So everything is in here. So that is all, guys. Thank you guys for listening, and if you have any feedback, you have any questions, just comment down below, and please like and subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you are always updated to our new video tutorials from our different kinds of widget. And that is all. And if you are interested in using SociableKIT, all you have to do is go to the official website of SociableKIT and click this pricing tab. So from here, you can see our different kinds of subscription plan. So we have basic plan, starter kit plan, business kit plan, and the elite plan. So, and the features that is involved in each plan. So that is all, guys. Thank you guys for listening, and I'll see you guys in the next one.